Hey guys, welcome back to my service series. Today what we're going to be doing is replacing the spark plugs on my Harley Sportster. So for this job, all you're going to need is 2 spark plugs and a bit of anti-seize. So first things first, what you're going to want to do is remove your spark plug leads. Now as you can see, I have relocated the coil to this side. If you want to see a video of how that's done, I'll put it above. So just pull those ones off, like so. Just for ease, I'm going to remove the plug completely. Alright, so for this, you're going to need a 5/8 and just loosen them off like so. Now what you're going to want to do is take your plug out and have a look at it. For me, I replaced these not long ago, so I'll be surprised if they need to be replaced again. But for demonstration purposes, I'll still show you how it's done. Even though these could be alright, seems I've got 2 new ones, I might as well just throw them in. It's not going to hurt it. They are fairly cheap and cost effective, so I'll put them in while I'm here. The service manual does say to do it every 10,000 miles. So checking once again in your service manual, the spark plug gap should be 0.97 to 1.09 millimeters. So you can check that with your wire gauge, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to do it by eye. Now next thing you want to do is get your anti-seize. And just put a little bit on the thread here. Make sure you don't get it on the electrode. And just put it around the thread like so. And pop that one back in. Do the same with your other spark plug. Now that one's out, inspect that as well. Take out your new spark plug. Bit of anti-seize on the thread. Once again, make sure you don't get on the electrode. And pop that one back in there. Now they're both back in, you can give them a little bit of a tighten so they're snug. Now for me, just chucking the plug straight back on. Spark plugs are done. There you have it guys, the spark plugs are now done. As the maintenance side of things go, that's a pretty quick and inexpensive thing to do, but your bike's going to thank you all the same. So for the next video, I'm going to clean the air filter out and I'll post that above. Hit the like and subscribe if you're enjoying the series so far, and I'll see you on the next one.